As the vaccine rollout moves forward, many parents now have questions about what this means for protecting their children.
WPTV News Channel 5's Tori Dunnan has more on what vaccinating adults means for the future of schools as well.
It's very confusing for us. I'm sure it's confusing for all the parents out there.
Sarah Weinstein and her dad, Arnie, are trying to sort through life in COVID-19 vaccinations. She's a mom of two, and her dad lives with her family. He's received both doses of the COVID vaccine.
I have my shots, but I still don't understand how it can protect the kids, because what if they get it elsewhere? If everybody in the house gets protected, but not every kid in the class's house is protected, she could wind up getting it no matter what we did.
Sarah has underlying health issues and hopes to get hers soon.
Once all the adults are vaccinated, does it mean that life starts to get kind of more back to normal?
Dr. Chad Rudnick, a pediatrician in Boca Raton, breaks down what he sees as a slow approach.
If we're able to vaccinate the majority of the adults in the population and then all be wearing masks right now, we're going to drive down the number of cases. And once we do that, then for kids, we get to start relaxing some of the restrictions.
Dr. Rudnick says the best way to think about vaccinating adults and not children yet is to think about what happens with a newborn.
We protect and vaccinate everyone around a newborn baby who's too young to get vaccinated.
Dr. Rudnick says it's all about driving down the case count.
Vaccinate enough adults, enough people who qualify, and still have people mask wearing and social distancing, we bring the cases down significantly.
He says everyone has a responsibility to protect the vulnerable.
Getting vaccinated when it's your turn is something that's so important for your health, but also the health of those around you. And if the grandparents in my child's life were not vaccinated, I would not feel comfortable having my child around them.
Sarah hopes that all of this leads to some sort of normalcy for kids.
There's just so much value in them having that face-to-face interaction at school.
Tori Dunnan, WPTV News Channel 5.